brands here, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? But today we got the Off-White's Nike Air Vapermax. These are a size 6. I know I got small feet, but you know what they say, small feet, big meat, you feel me? But you already know we got that reverse box with the swoosh logo right there. The inside is orange. And we got that Off-White wrapping paper, you feel me? But yeah, clean shoe, you feel me? Looking at them, it's crazy. I don't know if I should keep them or sell them, because I kind of want to keep them, but I don't really mess with like Vapormaxes that much. I like how these look on feet though. They look crazy on feet. And they're a great summer shoe, trust me, they're a great summer shoe. We got that white, triple white, feel me? But yeah. And look, we got the other one right here. Clean shoe. We got that Air sign right there. Little orange flap. We got that Oregon USA thing on the side. It's crazy. Look at the details on these. It's just crazy. It's crazy. But yeah, they are true to size. I tried them on earlier. They are true to size. So that's that. But yeah, let me know down below if you're gonna cop a pair, if you're not, if you're gonna pass. I mean, the story behind these, how I got these is crazy. So I was on my job, right? I was on lunch break, and they released at 11. It was 11 a.m. I believe, and they were sold out. And then they had a raffle, like at 11:05, and it was like 11:15, and I had like 5 minutes left to enter. It's crazy. I couldn't believe it. I was like the last person to enter, and I got them. When I saw that they took my payment, I was like, all right, it's done. I got them. And 3 days later, they got at my house. But yeah, let me know. I think I'm gonna sell them. I think I'm gonna throw them on StockX for like 600 and see what happens. If I could get that, then I'll sell it. If not, then I'll just keep them. But yeah, clean shoe. All right. But I don't know. I'm kind of digging it. I think I want to keep them. But I'm more of like a Jordan type of guy. I don't really mess with Nike that much. Unless it's like Jordan retros and all that, or like Air Forces. Like, look what I'm rocking right now. I got the customized Air Forces. I did it myself, as you can see, kind of messed up right there, but it's whatever. It's all good. These are clean though. It was my first time customizing, so they're not that bad. But I'm gonna do a new YouTube video soon of me customizing some other Air Forces. I'm gonna go buy a pair. I'm gonna leave what I'm gonna do right here. They're gonna be clean. But yeah, guys, these are really clean. I really recommend these. Trust me. All right.